Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Google Sign-In for Android using Firebase, beginner guide step by step clearly. To install Google Sign-In for Android using Firebase, begin by opening Android Studio. Create a new project or open an existing one. Make sure you have the latest version of Google Play services installed. In the Firebase console, go to your project. Click on Add App and select Android. Enter your app's package name and click Register App. Download the Google Services.json file provided by Firebase. Move the Google Services.json file to the app/directory of your project. Open your project level build.gradle file. Add the Google Services class path in the Dependencies section. Sync your project. Now, open your app level build.gradle file. Add the necessary Firebase and Google Sign-In dependencies under Dependencies. Apply the Google Services plugin at the bottom of the file. Sync the project again. Next, navigate to the Authentication section in the Firebase console. Enable Google Sign-In in the Sign-In Method tab. Return to Android Studio and open your mainActivity.java or mainActivity.kt file. Initialize Firebase in your activity. Set up the Google Sign-In options for your configuration. Create a Google Sign-In client using the options you just set. In your activity, create an intent to launch the Google Sign-In activity. Start the activity for result when the user clicks the Sign-In button. Override the onActivity result method to handle the authentication response. Retrieve the Google Sign-In account from the result. Use this account to authenticate with Firebase. Implement the authentication logic to sign in to Firebase. Display the user's information or direct them to the next activity upon successful sign-in. Finally, test the app on an Android device or emulator to ensure Google Sign-In works properly. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.